Vulcan Gantt Scheduler allows designs to be easily translated into an activity-based schedule, without the need for transferring and managing data across multiple platforms. An Excel-based platform for VGS syntax makes it easy to create formulas within Gantt. The setup is clear, transparent and flexible. Complete integration with design provides powerful visualization opportunities. The ability to select items of interest in the Gantt chart and see corresponding design makes it easy to track activities. Filtering options are endless and allow the user to easily focus on areas of interest, which also helps with setting manual and automatic precedences and reporting. Manual precedence options allow users to easily click through design data to visually set the mining sequence. Spatial precedences provide more automation when setting the mining sequence. Application of resources, priorities and resource levelling ensures resources are not over-allocated. Users can define additional parameters to minimise areas of underutilisation while maintaining realistic operating constraints. The summary report setup is flexible for users to focus on specific reporting metrics. These values can be exported to Excel for non-Vulcan users. Multiple colouring options help to convey information and better understand the schedule output. While animation ultimately tells the story of the mind. Visualise, design and schedule in a single 3D environment with Vulcan Gantt Scheduler.